Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to blur in Canva. So if you want to blur any kind of images, backgrounds or any part of the design in Canva, you can do it very easily. So first of all, you will have to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. After that, you will have to open your project in which you have that particular image, the part of which you want to blur. For example, let's say this is my presentation template and this is the image in which I want to, let's say, blur this particular section. So first of all, you will have to select that photo or that background that you want to blur. If it is background image, you just have to click it directly from the canvas. After that, you will have to click on this edit option in the top, and here in the left hand section, you need to just scroll down a bit until in the effects you are able to find the blur option. Once you are able to find the blur option, simply click on the blur option, and here you will see a bunch of different adjustments relating to blur. Like if you want to add any blur, you just have to click on the add blur option and select that particular section which you want to blur, just like this one. So once you are done with it, you can increase or decrease the blur size. You can even increase or decrease the intensity of the blur. If you want to remove the blur, you just have to click on the remove tab and you need to remove that portion, just like this one. So once you are done with the blurring of the section, you just have to click on this button and wait for Canva to show you the final results. So Canva Pro users can use the autofocus option, but if you are using free option, this is how you can blur a particular section in a photo. So once you are done, simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner and you can download that file. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.